I was going to be a high school history teacher and then decided to try to be in comedy for a bit. Moved to Toronto and started to work with the Second City pretty quickly, and then I was in the cast of Second City for a long time. I was on Mainstage for 5 shows, directed other shows after that. So I have a comedy background, but I have a lot of interests that have taken me into the hosting world in other directions. The history thing helps a bit, not as big as the sports side of things. I now work with Major League Baseball and the NHL as well in the Rookie Career Development Program, which is they bring all their rookies together in one place that they think are going to be breaking through the major leagues in the next year. And we spend a week working with them on life skills and entertainment too, but things that running through different things that they may face as a rookie in major leagues and obviously in hockey as well. So it's a similar program for both of those. I currently host Just Like Mom and Dad, which is like a kids game show. I have hosted Deal With It previous to that. It was a hidden camera show. I hosted a show on HGTV, which was the Great Home Giveaway, where we actually gave away a house and realized that was the whole budget. So that was the end of that show. But it was a great house in Milton. That truly happened. They're like, shit, no money. We didn't think someone was going to win. And then, so I've done some of that as well. So I have a television and film background. I'm also a writer too, I write comedy writer as well. I've written a lot of comedy for kids shows and things like that.